Have you ever wondered how the crispy French fries at your favorite fast food restaurant are made, starting from factory processing to being served fresh on your plate? Today, let us walk you through the final stages of the production line. For this demonstration, we'll be using a familiar example, French fries. The secret to that perfect crispiness lies in coating the cut potato strips with a well-balanced layer of batter. We begin the process with the submerged batter machine as the front-end feeding equipment. This system evenly arranges the fries on the conveyor and steadily feeds them into the batter tank. As the fries move forward and emerge from the batter, they are fully coated. Next, air knives gently blow off the excess batter to ensure even coating thickness, preparing the fries for frying. Once battered, the fries proceed to the frying stage. We use the Frying Continuous Fryer. Its precise oil temperature control ensures high production efficiency and consistently excellent product quality. After frying to golden perfection, the fries are transferred to a cooling section, then rapidly frozen and sent to fast food chains around the world. That's how your crispy French fries are made from factory to plate. TSHS is proud to be your trusted partner in food processing solutions. If you have equipment inquiries, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.